Good morning, all my grade 3 students. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, our new chapter is chapter 9, Importance of Water. Children, water is a very precious natural resource for us. We use water to drink, cook, clean, and for other daily activities. Plants and animals too need water to live and grow like human beings. Let us learn more about the importance of water in this chapter. Learning outcomes. In this chapter, children will be able to understand about water scarcity and their reasons. Children will be able to understand about water conservation. Children will be able to understand about different ways of conserving water, reduce wastage of water and recycling of water. Children also will be able to understand about rainwater harvesting. Water scarcity. Children, scarcity means lack of something and water scarcity means lack of fresh water. Most of the earth is covered with water. The majority of this water exists in the form of oceans and is salty. Salty water cannot be used for drinking purposes or other daily needs. We need fresh water for all domestic purposes. Out of little amount of fresh water available to us, some part is in the form of snow. If the rains are not sufficient to fulfill the water needs of the planet, humans, plants and animals will face what? They face shortage of clean water, and this is known as water scarcity, means lack of the fresh water. Reasons of water scarcity. So we will discuss that what are the reasons behind water scarcity, why it causes. Children, the number of people staying on earth is increasing. Population is increasing. Thus the demand of water is also more. Some places in our country have very less rainfall. That's why there is water scarcity. Rainwater is not harvested properly and wastage of water is uncontrolled. All these given reasons causes water scarcity. Water conservation. Children, we cannot live without water or rain. Hence, we need to conserve water for all human beings, plants and animals too. Conservation means save. Water conservation means reducing the usage of water and recycling of waste water for different purposes such as cleaning, household work, manufacturing and agriculture, irrigation. We should make sure water taps are turned off properly both at home and school. A lot of water is wasted due to the leakage in water pipeline. Such pipelines should be immediately repaired. There is no need to keep the water running while brushing your teeth. You can also wet your brush and fill a glass of rinsing your mouth. Recycling of water. Recycling and reusing is the best way of reducing wastage of water. Recycling means reusing water for various purposes. Some ways to recycle water are given below. Water that has been used for washing vegetables, rice or dal can be used to water plants. Water that has been used for washing clothes can be used in the toilets or cleaning floors. So children, what we must to do for water conservation? Turn off tap while brushing teeth. Take shorter baths. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap after each use and don't flush tissue paper or waste into the toilet. These are some simple tips to save water. Water harvesting. As you know children, that we get rain only for 3 to 4 months in a year, If we store this rainwater, it can be used for the rest of the year. Rain is the main source of water. So, rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater before it reaches the ground. Children, there are some simple ways of rainwater harvesting, like rainwater falling on the roof of the house is collected in water tanks. The water is collected with the help of pipes. This water is filtered through a sieve to remove dirt and contamination. Contamination means impurity or dirt. This water can be used for washing utensils, gardening, for toilets, etc. This water is not safe to drink. It needs to be purified before drinking. The next one is very important way of saving water, that is tanka. Tanka is another way of rainwater harvesting commonly found in the states of Gujarat and Rajasthan. It's an underground tank built inside the house. The water falling on the sloping roof gets collected in the tanks with the help of the pipes, as you see in the given picture. A sieve is attached to the mouth of the pipe so that dirt or impurities does not go into the tank. The inner walls of the tanks are covered with tiles. These tiles help keep the water clean and cool. The tank is usually large enough to store water sufficient for 6 to 8 months. Now children, you came to know that what is the importance of water in our life, and there are some simple steps to harvest water that is beneficial for all the living organism on the planet Earth. So we must save water. That's all for today. Thank you all.